Good afternoon, friends. My name is Suvendu Gorai. So, I hope all of you are very well today. I want to share my some experiences in my life. I opened a YouTube channel and I want to guide all of you how to speak English very fluently. So, first of all, I want to share my some experiences. That is how to speak English very fluently. You need to do at first you need to do that is most important. You have to think in English. So, how to think in English? At first, when suppose you wake up in the morning, then after waking up you try to think in English, like after waking up you see that you have to brush your teeth. So there is a brush, there is a water. At first you have to think in words like table, chair, brush, teeth, etc. And then you have to think in English in a sentence. Then suppose today you have meeting with your friends. You have to meet with your friends. So just think it in sentences. How to think it in English. So so you have to think in English very properly and clearly. I want to say that in your subconscious mind you have to put the words and all the sentences in your subconscious mind. So you have to think daily, and I there are three tricks for spoken English. That is, those are reading, listening, and speaking. You have to practice in a regular basis reading, listening, and speaking. So I want to say that how to think in English. So the most important thing that you have to think in words. Suppose you are going to school in a bus, or suppose you are going to school by bus. So you have to think that it is a bus, there is road, there is telegram post, there is a school, there are boys, there are girls. So individually words you have to think in English, and then you have to think in a sentence. Suppose I am giving you an example. Suppose I am going to school now. I have to reach school after 15 minutes. I am going to school by bus, and today I will do my homework. I will do my school homework. Like these small sentences, you have to think in English. So most important for spoken English is that you have to think in English. No matter if there is a wrong, if there is a mistake, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. I am a Bengali medium student. I I am also a student. I am learning English. I am learning English. So I did mistakes. I did grammatically mistakes when I speak in English. At first I had a lot of fear, anxiety how to speak in English confidently. So if you speak wrong English, that doesn't matter. You have to speak continuously. And I am giving you another trick in a daily basis. Suppose with your friend circle try to speak in English, okay? And if you don't have any friend circle, then you write in front of the mirror and try to speak in English by your own, and try to speak 1 minute continuously English. So in this way, reading, listening, and speaking in this way, after 3 months I think you will be able to speak English. And then you have to keep effort, you have to keep going, don't stop, because learning has no end in life. So I opened a YouTube channel yesterday, and I will teach all of you how to speak in English confidently. I am going to tell you that I will give you 5 words in a video with explanation, and there will be some daily phrases, daily conversational words. Okay, and then I will upload various types of videos for spoken English. Okay, friends, and as a brother, I want to give you a suggestion in this pandemic situation. Please be stay at home. Please stay at home, and please be safe, because this pandemic situation is very dangerous. I want to say about corona. So I think and Diwali is round the corner. So please don't do firecrackers. Don't use firecrackers in this Diwali. So it's my suggestion as a brother to all of you. Thank you, friends. Good afternoon.